Hi and welcome to Eazybe. Today in this video, we're going to discuss how to manage or customize the user profile section in WhatsApp using Eazybe. As you can see, I've logged into my WhatsApp web account and have Eazybe installed. All you need to do is click on any contact and then click on the user profile section button. This will open up a set of properties that you can manage and use. Now, the cool thing is that you can also create new properties. You have the option to add a new property and set it as a select a number, multi-select date, checkbox, email, or phone property type. For example, if you select the multi-select option, you can give it a name like status and set the property values. Let's say not started and save it. This property type will be visible for all contacts. You can save it as not started for one person and started for another person. The property will be updated for everyone on Eazybe and everyone in your team. I hope this video was informative for you. If you want to check out more videos like this, please refer to our playlist.